Great job, 40. These huts are going to make the Friendly Fours Beach Day better than ever. Everyone has their own hut. I'm 10 fours, and this is the 10th beach hut, so it must be mine. 40. And I'm the first of the Friendly Fours, so the first hut is for me. 4. I'm exhausted after all that. Time for 40 winks. A nice nap. But who gets the other huts? I'm sure I can figure it out. Although, I could always use some help. 2 fours are... Octoblock to the rescue! Hut number 2 for you-know-who. 8. But who gets the others? I know.
You know what 16 is?
4 fours.
Which means I get the 4th hut. 16. 4, 8, a gap, then me. Who are my neighbours?
Hello, 12. You need a hut. Now, 12 is greater than 8, but less than 16.
So I should be somewhere in between. There, hut number 3. 3 fours are 12.
Here comes 20. Which hut's mine? I'm 2 10s or switch 4 5s. Wait, if you're 4 5s, you're also 5 4s. You get the 5th hut. 20. That's the first 5 huts sorted. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. But who gets the next one? Whoever is 4 more than you.
24. Welcome to the Friendly Fours Beach Day. This hut must be yours.
Super duper! 24!
So who gets those? Maybe 4 can help.
We already have our huts 8, so... I'm 2 fours. Double up.
So I'm 4 fours. Double up.
And I'm 8 fours.
32. So you get hut 8. Here.
32.
Nobody's in hut 7 yet. I wonder who our neighbour is.
It'll be whoever is 4 more than you and 4 less than me.
4 more than me is...
28. Good to see you, neighbour. Grab a hut. 28.
40. Look at the huts. We've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. But who's next door to me?
It'll be whoever is 4 less than you.
36. There's only 1 hut left. Hut number 9. Is that right?
You tell me. I'm a big square made of squares.
And if we could be 4 9s, we could also be 9 4s. You are in the right place.
36.
Now we've got our beach huts, we just need the rest of the Friendly Fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Now who's for a sandcastle competition?